Hi guys, it's Naturally She Dope coming to you today with this Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you want to get cute, get sexy for bae, stay tuned. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony, and I also used the Wet n Wild concealer to clean up under my brows. Today we're going to be using the Kiss Pro Touch Mattifying Primer to prime my face. So today we're going to be starting off with eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using is the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. I got this off of shophush.com. So we're going to be taking the color Passion in a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush and applying it to our crease. So using the same Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be taking it and dipping it into Koi and applying it to my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Jealousy and applying it to my crease and my outer V using this Wet n Wild crease brush. Then we're going to be taking the color Lust and applying it to our outer V using the Wet n Wild Fluffy Blending Brush.
On the track.
I'm going to take the color Admire in my Wet n Wild crease brush to blend out the burgundy color that we just applied. So I'm mixing Koi with Admire just to help blend out that burgundy.
On the track.
I'm going to be taking the color Beauty in my Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush and packing that onto my inner lid. Using the same Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be taking the color Love and applying it to my outer lid. To get my metallic eyeshadow shining, 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 I spray my eyeshadow brush with a little setting spray. This is going to make it poppin'. So I'm going to take a little bit of the color Sparks and apply it over Beauty just to make it pop a little more. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Tease in this e.l.f. smudger brush and applying it to my brow bone. Y'all, I just knew this eye look was going to be an epic fail, but look at God, it came out pretty good if I do say so myself. Next, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush that we use, and I'm just going to be blending out any harsh lines, making sure everything is blended, and then the eyeshadow is done. Alright guys, now on to the good stuff. Today I'm going to be using the Covergirl Trueblend Matte Made Foundation in the colors T60 and T70. Mixing these two together gives me my perfect shade. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Precision Foundation brush. Alright ladies, so like I said in my last video, please remember to blend, blend, blend. It is your best friend. You do not want to be walking around out here looking like you have on a mask. So blend down your neck. Please blend down your neck. So for contour today, I'm going to be taking my RIMMEL London Sculpting palette in Golden Bronze and my Wet n Wild contour brush. So I'm going to be taking the shade in the middle to contour with. I don't know what happened this day because I usually highlight before I contour, but somehow I got mixed up. So yeah, I'm just going to roll with it. Alright, so now we're going to highlight using my Wet n Wild concealer in medium tawny. I like to highlight under my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I'm going to be blending out my concealer using a sponge. So guys, this is my first time using this Wet n Wild concealer. When I was blending it out under my eyes, it was a little patchy, so I'm not sure about how I like it. I did end up adding a little bit more, but I'm going to keep trying it and let y'all know how I feel. Alright, now time to set this bad boy. Today I'm going to be using this Hissyfit setting powder in the color Golden. I'm not sure where you guys can find this because I found this at a discount store about a year or two ago. But guys, this setting powder is thebomb.com. So I'm going to look online, see if I can find it, and if so, I'm going to link it down below. Yes, honey, highlight and contour come through for a sister. You can't tell me she ain't popping. So to bronze up our face today, we're going to be taking the BH Cosmetics and ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. And we're going to be taking the Palette-Mocha and, you know, add it to our face. Oh yeah, and the brush that I'm using today to apply my bronzer is the Wet n Wild powder brush. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. It's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes. Y'all like them focus. Today we're going to be using the MAC 3D mascara. I think it's like the Extreme Lash 3D mascara, something like that. But yeah, that's what we're going to be using on our lashes. Today I'm going to be using a white eyeliner. This one is by Wet n Wild. Today I am going to be wearing lashes, but I'm going to be applying them off camera because yeah, I'm not a pro. This is the best lash glue that I've used, like the best. So you need to run to your local beauty supply store and get some. For liner today, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm not doing a wing, I'm just covering the band of the lashes so you won't be able to see them. Yeah, I'm not a pro at wing liners either, but I'm gonna learn, so bear with me. Then I'm gonna be taking my e.l.f. smudger brush and adding Lust and Jealousy to my lower waterline. With the same brush, I'm going to be taking the color Tease and applying it to my inner corner. So for my highlighter today, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter and this e.l.f. angled contour brush. So guys, if you have never tried the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighters, please run and get you some. Trust me, they are hitting. And they are inexpensive. They're like $2.99, no more than $3.99. Drugstore, bomb. Go get you some. So for my lips today, I'm going to be taking my famous brown liner and lining my lips. Today I'm going to be using 3 things on my lips. The first thing is the Rimmel London Show Off Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Atomic Rose. I'm going to do a glossy lip today, so I'm going to take this Broadway clear gloss and apply it. You can apply any clear gloss that you have. I wanted my lips a little bit more pink, so I'm going to apply this Karl Lagerfeld and Monaco lip color. And then yeah, we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day.